Hi, I'm Kristen, the property manager of the Willows. Hannah's going to take you through one of our floor plans. If you have any questions, we're glad to help. Enjoy!
Thank you, Kristen. Welcome to the Willows, Transylvania. This is our 2-bed, 2.5-bath townhome. It's our largest offering, and it was just newly redesigned. It's so thoughtfully done, absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys around. We're gonna start here in the kitchen. As you can see, the finishes are gorgeous. It's so bright and open. You've got the two-tone cabinetry, glass tile backsplash, quartz countertops, GE appliances. This is also an eat-in kitchen, so you have a space to have like a more casual meal. A little pantry area here. And then as you walk through here, you'll see it's a very open floor plan. So in the dining space, you get a ton of natural light from this big window. And then here in your living space, the feature is this marble surrounded wood burning fireplace. And you got 9-foot ceilings in here, ton of room to kind of arrange the furniture however is best for your lifestyle. And then one of my favorite things is this screened in patio that you have, which is so great for entertaining or just enjoying every day. So now we're gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna show you guys the 2 ensuite bedrooms, but worth mentioning, right down this hallway, you also have a powder room and then a full-size washer and dryer and a little private laundry room. So let's head upstairs. We're actually gonna start in the secondary bedroom, which features a large walk-in closet and bathroom with a sleek vanity space and a shower tub combo with marble tile. And then if you come in here into the primary suite, I'm so excited to show you this space. It's very spacious. You can have a king-size bed in here if you'd like. Plenty of other furniture fits nicely, but the highlights of this space are definitely this second fireplace that you get, and you get this second screened-in porch. I love this space. I could totally picture myself enjoying a morning cup of coffee out here, reading a book, and the door shuts so nicely too. So come on in here. I'm gonna show you the primary bathroom. In this space, you have a double vanity with plenty of countertop space. You've got marble tile shower. And then lastly, you have this walk-in custom closet, plenty of space in here. It's truly anyone's dream closet. So with that being said, this is a quick look at our townhome here at the Willows. If you'd like to call the Willows your next home, call our leasing team. We'd love to have you.